Calabar High is represented this evening by Team Captain Tian Hughes, Alexander Ramharak, Kevon Latouche, and Jonte Jackson. While Manchester High is represented by Team Captain Matthew Dunkley, Kimarley Ferguson, Stefan Smart, and Jalissa Tracy. Hello and welcome to the opening match in this best-of-3 quarter-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. In this best-of-3 quarter-final series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the semi-final round. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out as we get right into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Calabar High won, but decided to send Manchester High in to bat first. So we begin with Manchester High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it, Manchester, so we'll begin with art. Which 20th century artist painted the piece Stratford Mill?
Stratford Mill, John Constable. John Constable. John Constable.
Correct. Art for Calabar. Which 18th century artist painted the piece The Blue Boy?
Salvador Dali.
No, Thomas Gainsborough. International affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Mongolia.
Good. International affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Brunei.
That's right. Biology, Manchester. What is the name for the sheath on the outside of human bones that supplies them with blood, nerves, and the cells that help them grow and heal?
Periosteum.
Correct. Biology, Calabar. What is the name of the bone tissue found in humans at the ends of long bones as well as in the pelvic bones?
Origin.
No, cancellar, spongy, or trabecular bone. English language, Manchester. Spell quintessential, which means the perfect example of something.
Quintessential.
Very good. English language, Calabar. Spell camaraderie, which means mutual trust and friendship among a group of people.
Camaradere.
Very good. Music and audio for Manchester. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer here.
Leroy Livingstone.
No, it's Roy Ray on Give Thanks and Praise. Music for Calabar. Listen to the following clip now and identify this singer.
Shirley Caesar.
No, it's Heather Grant. Make we put things right. Bible knowledge for Manchester. Who gave David the armor that he should use to fight Goliath?
Samuel.
No, King Saul. Bible knowledge, Calabar. David recounted stories of killing 2 ferocious animals. What are they?
Lion and bear.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Lionel Barrymore.
No, it is Sir Laurence Olivier. Theatre and cinema for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Mary Cooper.
No, Vivian Lee. Geography, Manchester. What is the name of the Gulf of the Atlantic Ocean which runs along the western coast of France?
The Bay of Biscay. The Bay of Biscay. The Bay of Biscay.
Good. Geography, Calabar. What is the name of the body of water that surrounds the city of Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates?
Persian Gulf.
That's right. Sport for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
John Moncrief.
No, Sakima Mullings, a Jamaican boxer. Sport for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Floyd Mayweather.
No, Stephen Jones, Jamaica Boxing Board President. Chemistry for Manchester. What is the English name of the chemical element whose Latin name is plumbum?
Lead.
That's right, chemistry Calabar. What is the English name of the chemical element whose Latin name is stannum?
Tin.
That's right. Principles of business for Manchester. Which 11-letter word starting with R refers to the rules and standards that governments and authorities set for businesses to ensure they operate legally and ethically?
Regulations.
That's right. Principles of business for Calabar. What is the full name for the first section of a business plan, which is a condensed version of a complete business plan or proposal?
Executive summary.
Executive summary.
That's right, literature, and that's the bell already. That is the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Let's take a look at the scores in the match. Calabar High on 6 points, Manchester High just ahead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge quarter-final action in Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.